and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from the Momofuku range. These are Momofuku's a restaurant. I know they got one in New York. It mentions on the packaging they got them elsewhere, but I've never been to one or seen one. And this is made by Asha Dry Noodle, and this is for the U.S. market, but it's made in Taiwan. So. Good. Big thank you to the nice folks down in California for sending this along at Asha Dry Noodle USA. Noodle block. Ouch! 3.5 minutes. Once that's done, we drain it and we put in this this sucker right here and stir it up, and that's that, folks. So it is daytime, and this is kind of fun being back to reviewing, I gotta be honest. Oh wow, I didn't do that's what I was gonna do, crud. No, I haven't gotten the post ready for this yet, so I've got to do that. Usually that's something I get done before I do what I'm doing now, but I got the images ready, so it won't take long. And then I'm gonna get on, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm torn. I'd love to do some reviews tomorrow. I don't know. I could do some reviews tomorrow. Or I could spend the rest of the day cranking out another top 10 for release soon. I think I got Thailand, Chinese, and spicy. And I think since it's October, spicy wouldn't be a bad idea to crank out pretty quick. Seems logical. But I came out with the top 10 Taiwan really late. Actually, Asha is number 1 on the top 10 Taiwan list. They've got this meteor noodle. It's got a funny mouthfeel that I really like. I won't say funny, it's unique. It's like, think of a noodle as flat, and then it's got like an extra fin. It's the only, I don't know how else to explain it. It's like a three-pronged noodle, 3 fins. I don't know. But it works well, and I think it's a hot and sour spicy. I can't remember, but it's really good. Really good. That's one that I would eat recreationally. That's for sure. But yeah. And I don't eat a lot of recreational noodles. But yeah, I miss getting all these samples from all these companies in Taiwan. So you guys gotta, I've got 2 companies that regularly send me samples, and that's it. I've got 1 company that sends me samples, but they don't come out with new products super often. So, whoa, get back in there. Come on. It's like that with Korea, too. I used to get Korean samples all the time, but not anymore. I don't know why. There was like this big shift from companies that I could just talk directly to them having like big PR firms, which end up being a firewall, and it makes it really hard being the ramen raider. It's just like Kermit. It's not easy being green, It's really not easy. Anyways. All right. Let's do this. I've been after them for a while to try this noodle, so I'm pretty stoked. like, please, can you send me some, please? People aren't going to know how good it is unless you send it to me. And they did. So that's cool. Thank you. They got other stuff that just came out too. They got all these Hot Ones varieties. They got cups and bowls. We'll see how hot that is. I don't know. I was thinking maybe when I put those, when I do up those, maybe I will get the spicy list ready. I definitely don't have time to get that on there, but I can have it for the next go round. Okay, we're getting a nice color already. I like that. Normally I'd be out walking at this time, but my poor daughter, she got her COVID and flu shot and now she feels like crap. Go figure. There we are. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Well, it is indeed sweet and spicy, as advertised. I like the noodle. I did the 3.5. I think it mentions do it a little longer if you want it softer. I think I would probably do that, maybe 4. It's a little more chewy at this point, but it's good, and I like the sauce. I saw some things on Reddit, people saying, it's really bland, it's not super strong. It's like, I don't know, man. It's pretty strong, I gotta say. What are you looking for? Some people are just weird, I gotta say. I like to be somewhat weird. But when it comes to food reviewing, I like to just be on the level with you. I like it. I do like it. Okay. Oh, I shouldn't have done that first because I got this bad boy. I got this bad boy right here. You won't see it. You don't? Well, I don't blame you. There's no room for you, dude. It's really kind of, we're getting a little crowded in here, but I think that's gonna be just fine. I'm not saying no to the chashu. Nor am I saying no to the torch. Tastes good. And boy, I don't want to cover up too much of that noodle. I want you to see the noodly goodness, but there's 2 things I want to add. Some scallion. Oh, sesame seed? I don't know, brain. That sounds possible, but I don't know. I do want to add a little bit of chili crisp. I'm going to use the Chuchow style chili crisp oil from Li Kum Ki. I hate how these bottles just like seize up. There we go. Christ. Okay, let's add a little oil. Keep it kind of to the side. It said on the package that Momofuku does have a chili crisp on their own too. And so I might just have to reach out to them and go, hey, I'm reviewing a bunch of your product. I'm also got an upcoming list of chili crisps. So maybe you'd like to send some sample and let me give it a go. I'd be into that. There we are. A lovely bowl of Taiwanese dry noodle. Enjoy the rotations. Well, that's it from me. Thanks again to the folks down at Asha Dry Noodle USA in beautiful California, where I imagine it's hotter than here. Right now it's in the upper 40s. It's kind of chilly. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you're having a wonderful 2025 while I'm still in the latter half of 2024. Yeah. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.